What is up, everyone? I post every single trade I take, regardless if it's a win or loss. On February the 10th of 2025, I took a total of one trade today, and it was a win. The trade I took today was posted on the Discord with the expiration date and the fill of the contract. I entered into NVDA 133 calls. I showed here in the Discord that I got filled at $293 a contract. On top of that, I showed the description of the picture. I entered into the trade at exactly 133.03. Since I went with calls, I had the expectation for the stock to go up. Now let me show you a breakdown. The stock did move up within the 10-minute range. We moved up to about $345 a contract, which was almost about a 20% gain. You can see here NVIDIA went up to 133.95, and then shortly after was not really comfortable with holding into the trade a little bit longer, so I closed out the rest of the trade at exactly $350 a contract. Entering into any trade, I want to figure out what exactly is my trend of the stock. One thing I do know, ever since NVIDIA has gapped down from 141.97 all the way down to 113, I knew we had a significant gap fill where we had a huge open movement of price. Now, these little areas of a gap represent a total area where there is low volume activity because of pre-market and post-market price action. So my goal here, when I'm looking for a trade to take, I want to make sure I look for the previous trading day high, which is 130.41, and I also have to make sure I'm above my pre-market high. We obviously within the first 10 minutes broke above that range. You can see the first 10-minute candle we printed above to 133.72. So I moved the trade all the way up until 148.80 till I saw a huge rejection, three tailed rejections at that 134.78 range. So I went ahead and closed the trade. Now, again, when you're looking for any trade to take, you want to make sure you're trading within an actual trend and not in a range. So if NVIDIA traded underneath that 130.41 level, I knew we were not breaking the previous day range. So I knew we might be stuck in between that. So when you're looking for any trade to take, you want to trade within a trend, not a range. Now, if you are interested in taking these trades with me, I offer a Discord in the link in my bio. Come join us. I offer all these breakdowns within my Discord of over 9.57 thousand people. I look forward to seeing you guys on there.